Good morning, dear students. This is Sudhu Shukla. Hope you are well in this pandemic. I wish you will take care of yourself. So, let's start our discussion for the topic named station keeping in satellite communication. Dear students, कुछ कह सकते हैं कि स्टेशन कीपिंग, अर्थ स्टेशन, कुछ उसी प्रकार से हाउस कीपिंग, स्टेशन कीपिंग, these are the terminologies which are used in the satellite communication. So generally, if we go for this station keeping, we say that this station keeping is the process of maintenance of satellites attitude against different factors that cause drift with time. That means station keeping is the process. This is the process through which we are going to maintain the satellite's attitude. Attitude means behavior of the satellite regarding its orientation, regarding its position, whatever it may be. So by this process we are going to maintain the satellite's attitude against, this is most important, against different factors that cause drift with time. It changes with time. So satellite need to adjust their orbit timely, because I have told you, we have discussed that many of the external forces which affect the rotation of the satellite cyclically for 24 hours, periodically the same interval, regular intervals, likewise same. So satellite needs to adjust their orbit timely, because natural forces induces a progressive drift even initially the satellite is placed in correct orbit. So the factor that produce drift, this drift, so the factors that produces the drift, first is minor gravitational perturbation. Minor gravitational perturbations due to sun and moon. Dear students, this is one of the major factor that cause the drift of the satellite with time. Minor gravitational perturbations. I will post a video on the topic orbit perturbation. This perturbation, generally we say perturbation का मतलब है गड़बड़ी. So minor gravitational perturbations due to sun and moon cause drift of the satellite. The second factor is solar radiation pressure. Solar radiation pressure means the sun cause or radiation pressure on the satellite that may also cause the drifting of the satellite. And the third is the effect of non-spheric Earth. Non-spheric Earth means these are the factors that produce drift. So the orbital adjustments are normally carried out by releasing jets of a gas or by firing small rockets tied around the body of the satellite. Because if these factors produces a drift, so we have to apply some drift. We have to also apply, because these are the drift which are applied naturally, but artificially we can apply the drift by firing small rockets which are tied around the body of a satellite or releasing jets of a gas. So it is already mentioned that a window corresponding to a drift of about 75 kilometer, a window in which the satellite is placed on the sphere containing the geostationary satellite orbit is around. Dear students, it corresponds to an angular shift of plus minus 0.1 degree in longitude for fixed satellite and also for broadcasting satellite services. So this station keeping, which is a general process, this station keeping accuracy has been internationally standardized by CCIR. It is essential that in station keeping orbit, correction techniques, propellant consumption should be minimum. The strategy usually has certain steps. Firstly, the direction and the speed of drift of the satellite is determined using a new series of measurement. After that, calculation of the amplitude and direction of velocity increments are required to modify the orbital parameters. So compensation of the inclination increments correspond to north to south station keeping and requires a thrust impulse perpendicular to the orbital plane. That is north to south station keeping and east to west station keeping. I have told you this station keeping is a process of maintenance of satellite's attitude. So generally for north to south there is a station keeping, there is a process of maintaining the satellite's attitude, and for east to west there is also a station keeping. So east to west station keeping are obtained by applying, this can be obtained by applying thrust in the orbital plane and it corresponds to plus minus 0.1 degree east to west accuracy. If the lifetime of satellite is TL year, because it's depend upon the satellite. जनरली जो सैटेलाइट्स को हम लॉन्च करते हैं जियो स्टेशनरी ऑर्बिट में डियर स्टूडेंट्स, उनका लाइफ स्पैन ज़्यादा होता है, और जो सैटेलाइट्स लो अर्थ ऑर्बिट में होते हैं एलईओ सैटेलाइट्स, उनका लाइफ स्पैन कम होता है, क्योंकि इट इज़ नॉट ईजी फॉर अस टू रिप्लेस फॉर एवरी 10 years to 15 years of the satellites which are placed in geostationary orbit. ये बहुत टफ, बहुत खर्चीला होता है जियोस्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट को लॉन्च करना जियोस्टेशनरी ऑर्बिट में। बट जो एलईओ सैटेलाइट्स हैं या एमईओ सैटेलाइट्स हैं, उनके में ऐसा केस नहीं है। तो अगर लाइफ स्पैन की हम बात करें तो जनरली इनकी लाइफ स्पैन कम होती है, और उसी हिसाब से जैसे लो अर्थ ऑर्बिट सैटेलाइट्स की कम होंगी, उससे ज़्यादा एमईओ सैटेलाइट्स की होंगी, उनसे ज़्यादा जियो सैटेलाइट्स। तो उसी को हम TLES से रिप्रेजेंट कर ले रहे हैं। तो वी आर सेइंग कि इफ द लाइफ टाइम ऑफ सैटेलाइट इज TL year, द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन एंगल विल बी द maximum value of inclination angle will be I max is equals to 1/2 I average into this TL. Oh, that is not visible. Let me show you. So this IAV is the natural annual change of inclination averaged over the lifetime of TL years. This is the relationship for the maximum value of inclination angle, that is I max, which is equal to half of natural annual change of inclination averaged over the lifetime of TL years, and this lifetime is for the satellites. So dear students, this is the station keeping. Generally we considered, or I have explained this station keeping with respect to the geostationary satellite. I have told you that it is easy to understand for the geostationary satellite, while it is very tough to launch, but things are easy to understand. So finally we come to know from this discussion that station keeping is the process of maintenance of satellites' attitude against different factors that cause a drift of the satellite with respect to the time. I hope you understand all those things which I have told you. And if you have any type of doubt, कुछ भी किसी पॉइंट से रिलेटेड अगर आपको डाउट होता है, you can mail me or message me, जो भी आपके लिए आसान पड़े. ओवरऑल सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन जो वीडियोस अभी मैं पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ या जो वीडियोस मैंने पोस्ट कर रखी है किसी भी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड, कोई भी अगर आपको डाउट हो, यू कैन आस्क टू मी. So dear students, I hope you got my point, and I also wish that you will take care of yourself. So thank you so much for today's discussion. Thank you, students.